Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen with New Hope Chiropractic, and I'm going to give you a brief guide to intermittent fasting, what the different types are and why it's useful, and some of the benefits too. Doubtlessly, you've probably heard about intermittent fasting. It's become more and more popular in recent years because of its numerous benefits. It's also known as cyclic fasting. It's been used for centuries during times when food was scarce and even plays a central role in many major religions. So what are the most common types of intermittent fasting? Well, there's alternate day fasting, which is eating only every other day. On fast days, either no food or about 500 calories only. Then there's a warrior diet, eating only fruits and vegetables during the day and then eating one large meal at night. And then there's 16-8 fasting. This is the best one for beginners. You fast for 16 hours a day and then limit your eating to 8 hours. Most often, this simply involves not eating anything after dinner and skipping breakfast the next morning. Then there's the eat, stop, eat intermittent fast. You pick 1 or 2 days out of the week and fast for 24 hours, eating nothing from dinner one day until dinner the next day. And on the other days, eat normally. And then there's the 5-2 diet. For 5 days a week, you eat normally. For the remaining 2 days, you restrict your caloric intake to between 500 to 600 calories a day. And what are some of the benefits of intermittent fasting? Why should you do this? Why should you go through the trouble of fasting and depriving yourself of food? Well, number one, it promotes weight loss and results in increased fat burning and fast weight loss by forcing your body to use up fat that's normally stored as fuel. A study focused on the 16-8 method of intermittent fasting and showed that it significantly reduces fat mass while retaining both muscle mass and strength. So that's one benefit. Another benefit is improving blood sugar. In one study, participants with diabetes fasted an average of 16 hours daily for 2 weeks. Not only did intermittent fasting cause weight loss and a decrease in caloric intake, but it also helped significantly reduce blood sugar levels. Thirdly, it keeps your heart healthy. In one study, fasting was shown to influence several components of heart health, and it increased good HDL cholesterol and decreased both bad LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. And number 4, it reduces inflammation. In 2015, a study found that a longer duration of nighttime fasting was associated with a decrease in markers of inflammation. Also, number 5, it protects your brain. One animal study showed that intermittent fasting enhanced cognitive function and protected against changes in memory and learning function compared to a control group. And lastly, it decreases hunger. Leptin, also known as the satiety hormone, is produced by the fat cells that help signal when to stop eating. And a study with 80 participants measured leptin levels during intermittent fasting and found that levels were lower at night during the fasting period. So these are all some of the ways that intermittent fasting can be helpful for you, not just help you lose weight, but help improve your health. And just remember too that a healthy nervous system will help you digest and metabolize the food that you're eating better. So make sure you get yourself adjusted on a regular basis too. Check us out at New Hope Chiropractic for more information. And with that, have a very healthy day.